i'r Derbyn. Miss Porter sydd yma ar y dwi'n dysgu yn dosbarth Pili Pala. Hello and welcome to reception. I am Miss Porter and I teach in the Pili Pala classroom. I will now show you around our reception classes. Dyma'r ardal blociau. Mae'r plant yn defnyddio'r ardal yma I fod yn greadigol ac I adeiladu pethau maent yn hoffi ac hefyd I adeiladu pethau rydyn ni'n sôn amdano yn yr ysgol. This is our block play area. The children use this area to be creative and to have the freedom to build things that they may be interested in or something that we are discussing in the classroom. Mae'r plant yn hoffi ail greu bywyd go iawn yn yr ardal yma. This is our role play area. This is a very popular area of the classroom. The children like to recreate real life situations in this area and they have lots of fun. Dosbarth Jemima Mop, rydyn ni newydd adael Pili Pala a nawr rydyn ni'n mynd I edrych o amgylch dosbarth Jemima Mop. This is the Jemima Mop classroom. We have just left Pili Pala classroom. They're both reception classes, so I now will show you around Jemima Mop's class. Yn tebyg iawn I ardal Pili Pala, mae'r plant yn creadigol yn yr ardal yma ac yn fwynhau creu pethau allan o'r blociau a danaid I ri. Mae rhai o'r plant wedi bod yn greadigol yma yn barod ac mae'n bwysig iawn I ni bod y plant yn gallu labelu eu gwaith ac yn gallu cadw'r gwaith maen nhw wedi creu. This is our block area, very similar to Pili Pala's block area. Some of our children have already been creative in this area and it's very important to us that our children are able to label their work so that they can come back to it again and add things and carry on their creativity and know that we value everything that is done in this area as well as the other areas of the classroom. Mae'r plant yn mwynhau ail-greu pethau maen nhw'n gweld yn bywyd go iawn ac yn mwynhau yn yr ardal yma yn fawr iawn. This is our role play area. The children really enjoy recreating real life scenarios in this area and it's an area where they have lots of fun and really enjoy themselves. Mae'r plant yn gallu bod yn creadigol yn yr ardal yma I greu pethau maen nhw eisiau. Mae yna llawer o ddefnydd fan hyn a llawer o bethau neis maen nhw'n gallu creu llwyth o bethau maen nhw'n hoffi. This is our creative area, very similar to Pili Pala's creative area. Again, they have the freedom to take their things all over the classroom if they want to or if they want to express their creativity in different areas. And this is an area where they can make all sorts of things that they enjoy.